Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you need to find where the engine starter fuse is located, it's a special fuse that could be super expensive and hard to find. Stay with us, we will explain where it's located, where you can buy cheap replacement fuses and relays from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered in this video for your convenience. Guys, make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So we're going to demonstrate here on the 2017 Honda Civic, guys, where the engine starter fuse is located. You have 2 fuse boxes, but we'll need to open the fuse box that's under the hood. Once you open the hood, you will see your engine bay, and right here in the corner this is your car battery, and next to it on the right side, okay, right in front of the strut tower, you have your fuse box. You open that lid right here, and once you open the fuse box you have a layout that looks like that. That will be the front of your Honda Civic, that it's towards the back. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, you have fuses, relays, more fuses, but then you come to those special fuses right here that are known as multi-block fuse, that consists of multiple ones. This one has 6, this one has 7, this one has 6. Unfortunately, if one of those burns, let's say it's that one here, that 70 amp fuse, you have to replace the whole fuse box. You remove that board here, you pull it out, replace it. If you need to check them, you remove it, you pull it out, okay, and you can look at them. Let me show you what they look like, by the way, okay, so you know what they look like. When you remove them, you can clearly see them on the side if they're burned or not. You can see just like that one. They will be very visible, guys. Now let's explain which fuse you need to check here. We need to come, guys, okay, in that multi fuse box number 3 right here, that one. Now here, guys, okay, the fuse that we'll need to check specifically will be from top to bottom, that second fuse right here. That 30 amp fuse will need to be checked, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.